Today our topic is wave nature and particle nature. Of electron. Okay. In 1924, de Broglie proposed that electron or light behaves as a particle nature and wave nature. So this proposal arises to a new theory, that is wave mechanical theory of matter. According to this theory, electron, proton, even atoms, when in motion, possesses wave properties. De Broglie expressed one equation for calculating the wavelength of wave associated with the electron. According to the Planck's equation, the energy is equal to h nu, and we know nu is equal to c by lambda. So E is equal to h c by lambda. So this one. The energy of the light, according to Einstein, E is equal to mc square. Equating both equations, hc by lambda is equal to mc square. C get cancelled, and we get finally lambda is equal to h by mc. Here c means velocity of electron. So we can write V also. Kinetic energy of an electron, mass is E, then E is equal to half mv square. So this is kinetic energy. Multiple with m for both sides. Me is equal to half m square v square. 2me is equal to m square and v square. So these squares are get root 2me is equal to mv, and this mv is equal to p, that means momentum. So we can write here also. So lambda is equal to h by mc. C means it is a velocity, so we can write lambda h by mv. So mv means it is p, momentum. H by lambda is equal to h by p. So this is the equation. So this is the first equation, and this is equation 1. And this value substitute in the first equation, and we will get lambda is equal to h by root 2me. So this is okay. This was the de Broglie equation. After that, and this equation was modified by Davison and Germer. According to them, a charged particle be accelerated with a velocity v, then mv square is equal to ev. So here it is a charged particle E and this is a potential V. Multiply with m for both sides. Half m square v square ev m. M square v square 2 ev m. So this are get a square m v is equal to under root 2 ev m. So this is it is equal to the momentum. So this equation substitute in the first equation and we will get a modified de Broglie equation. Right. So this is the de Broglie equation and this was the de Broglie modified equation. And here we can write E is equal to Q because it's a charged particle. Charged particle we can write Q. De Broglie associated with the charged particle. For electron, the lambda is equal to 12.27 by root v. Root v. For protons, lambda equal to 0.286 by root v. Third one, for alpha particles, so all these are charged particles. The lambda equal to 0.101 by root v. De Broglie associated with the uncharged particle. Like a neutron. The lambda is equal to h by 2 em. The value is 0.286 root to e. For gas particles or gas molecules, lambda equal to h by mvrms. Here vrms means root mean square, and we can study about this one in states of matter. So finally we will get h by root 2 kmt. So this is uncharged particles like gas molecules. Okay, thank you.